Very good evening, everyone. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu and Wealth Management Private Limited, and this session is about the post-market analysis, how the market was closed today, and whatever the expectation, whatever we have discussed in the morning, whether it have achieved or not, we are going to discuss in this session. Actually, morning itself, we have clearly told that I am expecting a bearish, that is one-side market. Likewise, the same thing was happened because morning we have seen at around 50 to 60 points, that is nearly opened with 80 points gap down, and after that some recovery we have seen. After that it came down to the level and closing, we have seen that Nifty was closed around 1.21% downside, that is 207 point down, and Bank Nifty was closed around 602 points down, up to 1.56% negative. So whether this has been expected or not, if you ask me, yes, because on Friday itself we have clearly told that the resistance for Nifty spot is around 17,200 level, but it was not achieved. From 17,191 to 96 itself, it gone reversal mode. So if the further days have closed above 17,200 level, then we can have a rally towards 17,450, or else we can have a bearish market. Likewise, we have discussed on Friday, but the same thing was happened because of the RBI rate cut. Expected thing was happened, rate increase, that is 50 bps they have increased, so expected thing. So the market was moved that to the uptrend. But today we have expected the downside market. Okay. Compared to the global cues, if you see, today the European markets were traded around negative. It was open on negative. Morning, what I told, if the European markets are positive, then we can expect the market to reverse, or else our market will be bearish. Likewise, the European markets are opened a negative note, so our market gone further down. Even morning itself, we have seen the Bank Nifty is very weak compared to Nifty. The same wise, Bank Nifty dragged the Nifty to be downside. Nifty was not that much weak, but morning. But now after European markets open, the Nifty also dragged down to the level of weak trend. So what will be happen for tomorrow, if you ask me? Yes, because if the global cues or further US market is opening on a red, and tomorrow the Asian markets are also trading on a negative, in the sense our market to be come to the level of 16,730, 720 level, also a possible level, or else if the global cues supports our market, then our market can be a little bit gap up, can be possible. But whether some retrenchment will be there, if you ask me, yes, it can be, but it's like a breathing period, that's it. But not that much I am expecting, because I am expecting market to be, Nifty to be comes to the level of 16,720, and if it is breaks the 16,720, then we can have a rally towards 16,560, also a possible level for Nifty. But Bank Nifty, if you ask me, 38,200 level is a strong support. I have told, if 38,200 is broken, then we can have a rally towards 37,900 and 37,600 also respectively. I have told you in the morning, the same thing was happened, I think, because if you see about Nifty future, today it was opened at the 80 points gap down. From further from 17,021 was opened. From there another 80 points have moved upward, so 17,105 is the high. From there it gone down to the level of 16,858, nearly 214 points have moved from yesterday's close, we are seeing. And if you see, previous open is around 16,815, but morning what I have told, the support for Nifty future is that 16,930. If 16,930 is broken, then we can have a rally towards 16,840 likewise. But 16,840 as support is there till 16,858 the low. From there the market was closed around 16,888. Similar to the Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty morning I have told you, it was opened around 38,807 is the previous close, and from there it was opened around 100 points of gap down opening we have seen. From there the high made is around 38,810, nearly 105 points of moved upward. From 38,810, the low have made is around 38,086. So nearly whatever the support we have discussed for Bank Nifty is that 38,897 support we have discussed. From around 38,897, 38,450 support is there. If it was broken, then we can have a rally towards 38,193 and 37,929 respectively. So all the levels are broken, but 37,929 was not broken. So from that the reverse have been made. But tomorrow, if the global cues are not supported, then we can have a gap down opening for further move towards 37,800 or 37,000, even 700 also a possible level for Bank Nifty future if the global cues was not supported. If supported means we can have a rally towards 38,800, and Nifty also the similar I have discussed you earlier itself. Okay, coming to the point of sector-wise movement, how the sector-wise movement have happened today. But earlier I have told you today maximum of sector, 90% of sector has a downward movement. If you see about Nifty Bank, it's around minus 1.56%, and Nifty Auto is around minus 2.03%. Earlier last week also auto sector was in downside, and this week was started with a negative gain also. Then Nifty FMCG is around minus 2.09%, and Nifty Metal also is in minus 3.02%, and Nifty PSU Bank is around 2.67% minus. So further positive trend any sector is there in sense Nifty Pharma is 1.13% positive. So this and healthcare is around 0.83% positive. These two sectors are in a positive closing we have seen in today's movement. Okay, coming to the top gainers and top losers of today in Nifty, if you ask me, yes, ONGC is around 4.57% positive made today, and Dr. Reddy is 1.92% positive, Cipla is 1.35% positive, BPCL is 1.25% positive, and Coal India is 1.20% positive respectively. These are all the top gainers in Nifty, and top losers in Nifty if you ask me, Adani Entertainment around minus 8.42%, then Eicher Motor minus 5.38%, then Adani Ports minus 4.35%, Tata Consumer Products is minus 3.07%, and Maruti is on minus 2.94% respectively. So these are the top gainers and top losers in Nifty today. Okay, coming to the point of whichever the company, that is how the Nifty have opened today, and how the market volatility I will show through chart now. I am sharing my screen now. Here I am showing you Nifty futures chart. For your reference, it's a 15 minutes chart I am showing you. Yes, today's movement. Today we had open of 480 points of gap down. So from there it moved towards the rally towards 17,105 and closed around 17,030 itself with the low of 16,992. So next candle itself, if we are following that candle based analysis on 15 minutes candle, whatever I have told you earlier. So if you are going through candle based analysis, the second candle itself broken the low of the first candle, that is 16,963 is the low. So whenever the third candle or fourth candle further candle broken the second candle's low, then we can go short with the stop loss of first candle's high. So from 16,963, so till the low made is around 16,858, nearly 100 points of moved downside we have seen from second candle's low. So this kind of movement we can track from this candle based analysis also. Okay, then for Bank Nifty future I will show you. Yes, 15 minutes candle and today's movement. Yes, today we had a 100 points gap down opening in Bank Nifty. From there 100 points moved upward within few minutes itself. From first candle's low is around 38,496 and second candle's low is around 38,412. So second candle itself broken the first candle's low. So if we are following the candle based analysis, then the further low have made on fourth candle itself and moved towards the low level of 38,086 level. So nearly 350 to 340 points have moved downside we are seeing. So if we are tracking on options market, then how the profitable movement we can track the opportunity. Likewise, I will show you through chart. If I am a buyer in options, I will show you that 16,900 Nifty put option for your reference. This is a 15 minutes candle. Yes, how the opportunity tracks today, I will tell you. This is of today's movement. 15 minutes candle,
and 16,900 Nifty put option was opened around 79.4. From there, the high 15 minutes itself, the high is around 119.95. So after that, the low was made is around 77.8. If I am going to buy, that is long in opening itself from 77 or 78, or if I am following the Fibonacci series of 90, or there is more than 89 if I am buying. So from here, that is 89 to 90, how much points it went up to the level of 161 points, nearly 90% gone upside. That is from 90 to 160 points. So this is the movement. That is an opportunity in Nifty 16,900 put option. In 16,900 put option, for example, I am taking a position at 90 rupees. My investment would be around 4,500 rupees. From 4,500 rupees, how the profit opportunity was made today is that nearly 80 points have tapped. Nearly 80 points in the sense, nearly 4,000 rupees profit can be done if we are gone through this opportunity likewise. So this kind of opportunity we have in options movement itself. If I am not a buyer, if I am a writer, if you see the call option 16,900 call option, I will show you how the profitable movement have gone today for writer. For 16,900 Nifty, the opening is around 272. From there, the low made today's end within today end is around 112.35, nearly 150 to 160 points movement have made for the writers. If the writer have grabbed this opportunity, they would have made 160 to 150 points as a profit. This kind of opportunity is there in option segment, but only thing is that we need to identify the correct trend and we need to enter into the correct timing with the correct OTM or ATM likewise. So not only in Nifty, I will show you in Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty 38,200 put option I am showing you. This is a 15 minutes candle. Yes. How the profitable move today. This is of today's moment we are seeing. Yes. From here, the open is around 260 and high made within 15 minutes around 396, nearly 130 points, 130 points of moved within 15 minutes itself. After that, high made towards a level of 520. So if I am buying at 400 level also, I could have made a profit of 120 points. So if I am buying near 400, how much the margin I need to have? The sufficient margin to be around 10,000 to 10,500. That's it. If I am having 10,000 rupees and I am taking this Bank Nifty 38,200 put option, I would have made profit of around 2,500 to 3,000. Can be a possible one. This opportunity is valid for this option segment, how the buyers can tap the market likewise. So for writers, how the Bank Nifty call option writers, I will tell you 38,200 call option itself I am showing you for today's moment. Yes, the open is around 657 and the low made towards the day is at 311.6. So nearly 340 points we can tap if the writer have entered into the correct trend. Here they can tap nearly 300 points. That is 50% they can make a profit with the correct trend if they are entering into the writing position. So this kind of opportunity we can have only in option. So for option segment, if you want to enter, don't trade blindly. You need to discuss with your investment advisor or your wealth managers for your trade, and whatever the support and resistance we are discussing in the session also, you need to discuss with them, then you take the position. And for your option trade, my suggestion would be don't enter into the out of the money, that is OTM contract. You enter into that in the money or at the money or deep in the money. It would be a possible because of the premium eating session we can tap. So this is my suggestion I am sharing you. Okay, then if you have any doubts, you can comment on our comment box, or else you can discuss with your investment advisor for your trade with the trend analysis also. And thank you for watching this session. Have a great day. Thank you.